Okay, so this video is for expressions with variables. The point of this is to show you how to use your math and PEMDAS like you've been using to be able to come up with a mathematical equation, have it show using concatenation and using it all together. Please note that the calculation is the player's points times the lives divided by the total time. So we have some code here that we're going to remix. Now, this is, your successful if. So it's going to look like this. Your total score should be 68.2. So we're going to remix this code. And then we are going to make it our own. Now, remember, I'm going to actually throw in a comment here just so that we have it. In theory, we have it here still. I'm going to copy. All right. So that we have it. We have that visual. Now, so it should be the player's points times lives divided by the total time. So here we have points, lives, and total time. Now, where it's writing, so if I were to hit run, you can see that this says points 1023, which is here because we say points as we're using concatenation and adding 2 points. And so it grabs what's currently held in points, which is 1023, and then adds that to this string. Lives does the same thing. It's writing lives, so it goes and finds the value that's currently held in lives, which is 3. It returns 3 and then adds that to this, which gives us our lives 3. The total time, it says 45 seconds. So you can see right here we have our string. It goes and grabs the value that's held in total time, which is 45, adds it to total time, and then adds seconds to this as well, which gives us this string. Again, it's not seeing these numbers as math because we're making it add to a string now. Whenever we use concatenation with a string or something with quotes, it will automatically convert those letters or numbers into letters. So right here with our total score, we want to take our points, and the multiplication symbol is the star or shift 8. So our points times our lives divided by our total time. Again, we can have some parentheses in here so that it does what's in parentheses first. But multiplication and division, they have about the same weight, so it should work either way. And so there is our total score of 68.2. Because right here it prints it, grabs the value that's held in total score. So what happens is total score goes and it grabs, hey, what's currently in points, and it sees 1023. What's currently in lives, 3. It's going to multiply that, the 1023 times 3, and then it's going to divide it, which gives us our 68.2, and then it's going to store it in our variable called total score. And then it writes it. Again, it goes and grabs the value that's being held in total score and adds it to our strings or our letters. And this is how this one is completed.